Ever wondered what happens when scientists push the limits of human behavior? Some psychological experiments have gone far beyond what you'd expect, revealing shocking truths about the mind. Let's dive into the most bizarre psychological experiments ever conducted, some of which have raised serious ethical questions. 1. The Stanford Prison Experiment. In this famous experiment, Dr. Philip Zimbardo created a simulated prison to study how people would react to being guards or prisoners. What happened was horrifying. The guards became abusive, and the prisoners suffered extreme emotional distress. The study lasted only 6 days instead of the planned 2 weeks. 2. The Milgram Experiment. Stanley Milgram tested obedience by having participants administer electric shocks to someone, an actor. Despite hearing simulated screams, most participants obeyed the authority figure and continued giving shocks. This shocking result showed just how far people will go when pressured by authority. 3. Little Albert Experiment. John B. Watson conditioned a baby to fear white rats by pairing them with loud sounds. The child developed a lasting fear, which was unethical and harmful. The experiment raised concerns about the lasting effects of psychological conditioning. The Robbers Cave Experiment. In this study, Muzaffar Sharif divided a group of boys into 2 teams and set them against each other in competitive games. The result? Real violence and hostility. This experiment showed how easily group identity could create division. 5. The Bobo Doll Experiment. Albert Bandura showed children an adult hitting a Bobo doll, then observed their behavior. The children mimicked the aggression, showing how violence can be learned by watching others. While these experiments provided insights, they also raised significant ethical concerns. Participants endured emotional or physical harm, and many would not be allowed today due to ethical guidelines. These bizarre experiments offer a glimpse into the darker side of psychological research. While they shaped our understanding of human behavior, they remind us of the importance of ethical boundaries. Which experiment shocked you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.